Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Lonnie in West Virginia on the new Ranger RCI 99 N2. Lonnie got ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, and she's ready to rock and roll. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 5 watts all the way down, roll it all the way up, 40 watts. Show you average power swing. Hello. Well, 100 watts in the corner, Lonnie. Let's show you average power on the 250 watt scale. Hello. About 120 bird. Peak power. Hello. 250 in the corner. Them electrolytic caps and regulators doing their thing. Now let's roll the carrier all the way down. You want to make sure you hit full PEP power from the low 5 watt carrier. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 as you do. All right, Lonnie, it's ready to come from my place to yours, from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bomb bomb.